Here I'm going to show you how to do a blind contour drawing of the plant on the screen. A blind contour drawing is an exercise where you do not look at the paper you are drawing on. You only look at the subject you are drawing. So my eye is on the image of the plant and not on my paper. So what I'm doing is I'm pretending that my eye is like an ant, and as it's traveling along the edges of the leaves, my hand is moving at the exact same speed and recording the journey on my paper. You don't want to worry about what your final drawing looks like. If your final drawing is just scribbly lines or appears to be scribbly lines that don't match up and the plant is not in proportion, that is okay. It's not supposed to look perfect. The idea is that you are seeing those curves as they really are and not breaking the plant or whatever it is that you're drawing down into more simplified shapes. Your brain naturally wants to simplify things. It's a lot of information for us to take in. If we took in all the details of everything we saw, we wouldn't have enough time to remember everything. So by going very, very slow, you're slowing down your brain a little bit and giving yourself time to really see those details. So you're not drawing what you think you see, you're drawing what's really there. So this is an exercise just like an athlete might lift weights or do some cross training. The end result is to get stronger. So the point of this activity is to get stronger and for your drawings to get better, not for this particular drawing to look perfect. So it's kind of a hard concept to grasp in the beginning because we all want the final product, or we're used to the final product being the whole point, to come out with a drawing that looks really good or looks realistic. But in this case, you just have to remember that that's not the objective of it. So once you've done a few blind contour drawings, the next kind of contour drawing you can practice is called modified contour. Modified contour, you can look at your subject matter about 10% of the time and periodically pick up your pencil off the paper just to kind of find your spot. But even with modified contour, you want to go very slow. You want to use one continuous line as much as you possibly can and really capture all the details. Another thing, if you run into an overlapper where you can't draw a leaf or whatever it is in the subject anymore because it's overlapped by another part, you just start drawing that other part. You never want to guess what's underneath and finish drawing what you're drawing. As your eye travels, if your eye starts following another leaf or another part of the object, that's the part that you draw. If part of your drawing ends up being unfinished, that's absolutely okay. Or you can always kind of trace around and come back. And sometimes you'll see here I have to go over parts of my lines a little bit, and that's okay. So keep at it and have fun and happy drawing.